So in this video, I'll show you how to use Countif function. So we have here an example, a list of items, a total of 8 records, and my objective is to count the number of items. So how can we simplify or get the total count of each item on the list? So that is with the use of Countif function. In cell E3, you can simply type equal countif and then open parentheses. Countif has two syntax. First, we have the range, and number two, we have the criteria. Range means the list. Criteria means the target data. So for the range, you can highlight the data items. And before we add the second syntax, let's press F4 or function 4 in keyboard so that that area will become an absolute or fixed reference, comma. For the criteria, you can simply type the word laptop. However, another way to get the data of laptop is to click on the cell that contains laptop, which is D3. It will limit us to re-encode any existing data on the spreadsheet. Another advantage, if you drag the formula to the next cell, it will become D4 for phone, and it will become D5 for tablet. You don't need to change the value of laptop to phone or phone to tablet. If you're done, add closed parentheses, press enter, and then drag it down. All right, so as you can see in this output, we have 3 laptops, we have 3 phones, and we have 2 tablets. Another way to simplify the process of getting this data is to add knee manager in order to simplify the cell references. Let me give you another solution for that. First, let me highlight this area and type items as part of the knee manager. When you type items, press enter. Alternatively, B3 to B10 can be located as items in the worksheet. So let me reset this formula. Let's add equal countif, open parenthesis. If I need to get B3 to B10, we can simply type the word items, comma. For the criteria, let's click the cell D3 and then close parenthesis. Enter, and then autofill. It will produce the same output. However, knee manager can simplify the way we get our data set in the spreadsheet. If you have any changes on the side of the knee manager, you can always click on the formulas tab, click on the knee manager button, and here you can always configure the items. You can click the edit, change the name of that column, or you can change the reference, right, of that column. All right, and that's it for count if.